on. Even if the sign is off, keep your seatbelt fastened in case we experience unexpected rough air. Federal regulations require all passengers to comply with crew instructions posted by Cruise Line information sign. Smoking, the use of e-cigarettes or any smokeless products including chewing tobacco is not allowed on any Delta flight. Federal law prohibits